Are you ready to lay some panels?
Yes, I am. Yeah, I just do it right there. I know a lot of more. 32 by 65.
We got Yingli. Okay, two.
Solar installs would actually move that stuff around.
Right here, look.
There's a
My house, full solar in my house. It's just a rubber mast.
You got one?
They cut it out.
They're gonna provide
Yeah.
you with that? Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got that'll definitely help you. They're gonna need it right away. And if they had asked me to estimate, I would have said we'd bring it up. 45 minutes.
That's funny because, well, you think that, you never really, you're sure. I mean, just to get this first 6 done that you requested. Yeah, we'll need a lot. I'll run to the store.
Can you make a run to a Unirac?
You need to do that, or are you going to do that?
I'll do that.
Got it? On? Yeah. Thank you. Help me out, man.
That'll work.
Not the one I'm not liking that.
You? That water's gone. Yeah, you can use the same pattern like this. But now this rail is on the outside. Oh, this will be on the outside. Yeah, from only this is rails on the inside. The reason they do it on the inside is they don't want to make the cosmetics and on the inside. I would do all.
Lights? Yeah, we are. Really? Right there, you just bit. Feel that? You stop. You good? Lift this up. Lift up your flat. Lift it up. Straighten it out. Lift it up. Up, 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 up. Yep, lift it all flashing up. Up, 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 up. Now go down. Okay. There you go. That's it. Next, moving on. Next. Okay, one down here behind you, man. Just here, man. Get this one, man. Let's go after this one. Okay. Got the seat. Got, there you go. Pry bar. You got room. Is there a nail? No, there's a nail there, huh? Did you get the nail? There's a nail. You gotta get that nail. So look under here. See the nail? It's okay. Just hammer it down. Put it right on top. Okay, get it down. We need a little geocell to put on the top. There it comes off the geocell.
There you go.
Little bead on that. Right here.
Jared, these two.
Alright.
Alright, cool. Alright, cool. See how
Just like that.
you learn, dude?
And you have to do something with this one too. You got to pull this one, or you got to put it down through it also. So you're probably going to go through it.
You don't want it to catch water. Beautiful.
You're going to have to lift it up, take it out. Sorry. One more bead, one more bead. There you go. You got to stand off. No.
right on the knuckle. Well, they never want to stop breathing.
Thanks, Joe. This is true, right?
Yeah, man.
You need you. Yeah, we'll need just a little bead. You're going to get your little bead.
Did you cut yourself?
Right there, Garrett.
Bottom rail. What? This is the bottom rail. We tried to put them away and we stopped.
Bottom rail.
Bottom rail right there, yeah.
Yeah, we got them in order.
Picture on the right side. And that's number 2. You want to give it to them? You can put that on number 2.
Up there.
Here we go. Where we stop? No lugs?
No, there was no reason for that.
You gotta have lugs on it.
Yeah, no, oh, no reason for not putting it on there?
We'll get them up here. Let's go. Let's put it up here. What are we doing until it's up top?
Alright, so it doesn't matter which way it goes.
Open it down, right?
Yeah, I mean for now. But see, if the lugs are on this side, we would walk it up this way. If the lugs were on this side, we'd walk it up the other way. You know what I mean? But there's no lugs, so. Watch your rope.
Watch your road.
There you go. Nice. Good
Upside
job, Joe.
down. There you go.
So no lugs here. We need 3 lugs. We can borrow one for this. The other one. 3 lugs.
That one gonna fit? Or that kind of go, right?
No, it's gonna fit.
Looks like they get a splice on, huh? They're gonna be busy. So they got started. They didn't quite get on.
Alright, so let's see what we got here.
So we're after another.
Splice good. Splice good.
Splice is working out.
I'm thinking if you cut it here, splice it here.
Push it. Keep rocking and rolling. Okay.
That worked. Alright, cool. A naked rail.
Oh, man. Is that on the edge here, Brian?
What I'm looking for is the splice centered in between this and I'm after.
Oh, okay.
As long as we got splices in between.
Plenty.
We'll trim it after.
More than plenty.
Yes,
So you
we're
need
gonna
washers.
try. Do some marking right here. So stay where you're at, Joe. Be careful behind your guys. Adrian, be careful behind you, please.
Alright, so can we